Today's special is a 2011 Chevy Avalanche LT, stock number A9010A. 39,000 miles on this one-owner trade-in with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Avalanche brand new, just took it back in on trade, and now it's ready for the lot. Summit white in color. After our thorough inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. It's 2 years longer than the factory powertrain. Also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. 20-inch chrome wheels with anti-lock brakes, traction control, and electronic stability control to keep you on your intended path. Side curtain airbags front and second row, helping to keep your family and friends safe and insurance costs down. Adjustable roof rack for any extra cargo you have. Running boards make it easy to get in and out. This Avalanche seats 5. Leather interior. Rear audio controls. Hooks in the seat for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Avalanche is a very unique vehicle. Seats fold completely flat on both sides. Allows the midgate to fold flat as well, turning a 5'3" box into an 8-foot box. Window with rear defrost is also completely removable. Lockable storage on both sides of the bed. 3-piece hard tonneau cover, removable in individual sections, so you can customize the fit for your cargo. Rear parking sensors. Hitch and wiring. Maximum towing capacity of 8,000 pounds in the Avalanche. Composite bed inside for protection and easy cleaning. As you can see, this Avalanche is extremely clean. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, heated seats, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, automatic headlights, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto mode. Put it in auto, set it, forget it. Automatically put it in 4-wheel drive when it feels wheel spin. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio control so you can keep your hands on the wheel, along with Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift control and tow haul mode. CD player with auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods or MP3 players. And dual zone automatic temperature control. Adjustable pedals put you in that perfect driving position. Lots of storage space in the center console with additional power outlet and USB connectivity. Large glove box with all the owner's materials, including the original window sticker. Overhead auto dimming mirror and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Avalanche has a 5.3-liter V8, 320 horsepower, has cylinder deactivation technology. Go from 8 cylinders to 4 cylinders at cruising speeds to get you better gas mileage. Of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck is. Don't forget about that certified warranty protecting your investment. Excellent fuel economy in a full-size 4-wheel drive truck. EPA average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway. About 85% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCA 9010A to 66245.